All right, well, this is a big shot in the arm for our seniors in Baltimore City. WMAR 2 News' Abby Isaacs is joining us from Cherry Hill tonight with what MedStar and the Housing Authority are doing.
The partnership bridges the gap between healthcare and accessibility to help some of the city's most vulnerable residents here in Cherry Hill.
Yes, I'm very fortunate.
Today, more than 80 Cherry Hill Homes residents ages 65 years or older got their first COVID-19 vaccine dose.
But it wasn't bad at all. I thought they was going to give me something like that. But it was only like that. It wasn't bad.
The Housing Authority of Baltimore City partnered with the City Health Department and MedStar, using their mobile clinic to break down any accessibility barriers.
Many folks are being asked to go online and register. And in many of our communities, with the residents that we serve, they don't necessarily have access to an online platform or internet to be able to register.
Tracy Kaiser, HABC's Senior Vice President of Resident Services, says they started this effort in Cherry Hill because it's their largest and most vulnerable community, disproportionately impacted by COVID-19.
We all know how our minority communities and our lower socioeconomic communities are impacted. And they're just as impacted with social ills and COVID-19 as they are with access to resources, right? So our job is to make sure that we bridge that gap.
HABC staff went door to door last week to make sure all eligible seniors knew this was happening and helped over 80% of them sign up.
That was an overwhelming response.
I wanted to get this shot to make sure I'd be okay. I don't want to spread anything. And I'm getting older. So, hey, that's another reason.
The city hopes to be able to do this in other areas, but they're at the mercy of vaccine supply and demand.
We know that there are other Baltimore City and statewide residents that need this as well, and we know that resources are scarce, so we're really just trying to partner where we can.
The mobile clinic will be back in a few weeks to administer second doses. In Cherry Hill, Abby Isaacs, WMAR 2 News.